Had a few people ask about the heights between these bikes. So me and Blade lined them up. And I'm going to do measurement. First we'll do the Magician. About 32. Unloaded. Looks like about, what was it, 30? About 34. And that's the Hawk. And the Honda, that one's at like 34. But this is with a lowered seat. I put that on. Now the DRZ. That one looks like 36 there. 36. Like, sit on your bike and I'll measure what you're sitting on it. Stand up on it now. So it drops like 2 inches. That's probably 2 inches. These are probably 3 or 4 inches, you know. Now stand up, 38. Yeah, maybe 1.5 inches. And these, they're probably 2 or 3 inches. You get the idea. So that's about it.
But wait! There's more!
So Motor Rider picked up a CM450. So we're adjusting the valves. Just had the carbs clean, throwing it on. We're going to take it for a ride. Sure, I'll eat the dirt. I don't mind. That thing's running good now.
Oh! Watch it, Bobby!
Sounds like he's running out of gas. Huh? I got a little gas.
I don't know if you're gonna make it. Come on.
Oh. He said he's going to get gas, and he took off. I don't think he's gonna make it to Mobile then. All right.